Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Ramya Skill Guide, your skill expert. Wish you all a happy Women's Day. This is the day to celebrate the essence of women. Here are the quotes from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam about women empowerment.
Empowering of women is a prerequisite for creating a good nation. When women are empowered, society with stability is assured. There are number of women who have brought about immense change in society. A real man knows how to respect a woman. When a man loves a woman, she becomes his weakness. When a woman truly loves a man, he becomes her strength. This is called exchange of power. If women can succeed only by emulating men, I think it is a great loss. The aim is not only for women to succeed, but also to keep their feminine essence and let that influence society. Mother is the only person who carries you 9 months in her belly, 3 years in her arms, and forever in her heart. Total commitment is the common denominator among all successful men and women.
Thanks for watching my skill space video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned.